got the reservation though.
Oh, hey. We're playing BTS.
Pretty confident. K-pop fans are thieves.
They're decorative. Oh no.
This is like everything I need in life. Real friendship. Bone end.
Today is day 1 in Chicago. We're gonna go see Hobby VIP. Last night we went and got K barbecue.
What you saw.
And they were Hobie bias, so we're feeling the love. I'm so nervous.
What if he perceives us?
I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh god.
But we're at a hotel that's like 10 minutes away, and we have another hotel that we have to go to today. So we move in.
We have to prioritize our rest.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to doing 2 days in a row. Are you kidding me? I mean, I just love being in Chicago in general. It just feels magical to me.
Yeah. We're taking the morning slowly. My voice kind of sounds weird.
Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm still waking up.
Anyways, that's all.
Don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
I haven't talked in this video yet, so
do it. Talk.
Let's go.
Say something sweet. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Goodbye. There's a line. These people are freezing outside.
They're like with their bags and everything. Oh my god.
Full on blankets. We made it to our second hotel. And this room is like huge. We have this room and another room and a like kitchen area, but I'm so excited. We are getting ready. We have VIP. I don't know if I said that, but oh my god, I see you in the background, Jenna. So we have to be there early. Fun stuff has yet to begin. I'm very excited. Are you excited, Jenna?
So excited.
Yay! This is the hair and the makeup with the hat. Not my outfit, but I think it looks so cute. Like, serve. I love blue, as you can tell. We have my outfit and my whole sock set. We're walking to the venue. It's really windy and I'm freezing. Oh my god.
Yeah, except for we're going against the wind.
At least it's like semi-warmer than
That's why I
before.
can't hear you.
It's warmer
So
than
loud.
It's warmer than before. It's freezing. We're all warm. We're inside. In line for VIP merch that we probably won't get to. Oh yeah, show the glasses. Oh,
These are so nice.
they are.
They look really
And I think this is a tin box, and this is just a key. Oh.
Facetune the hell out of this one spot on my face. Blur out the face.
Oh my god. We had sound check and now we're waiting for the show. Oh my god. Looks so red.
And we wore a tank top, so now I have to buy a lottery ticket because I said I would. I swear to God. And I'm gonna take you guys all to the OT7 concert.
It's the next day. I've not talked about my VIP experience. I can't believe that happened. I'll probably do it later, but we're gonna go to Target to pick up some things. There's a Target next to our hotel. But I got tickets to day 2 because it was so good. But I have some more to vlog, so stay tuned for day 2. We're in a Korean spa now. VIP killed us, right, Jenna?
Yeah, absolutely.
We're in this like Egyptian one. It says it cures diseases. I kind of need it.
Is it working, Hadley?
I don't know, I kind of feel bubble gut. This is what it looks like. It's a little pyramid. I feel like I'm on Run BTS. There's like an amethyst room and some other things. And there's food, which I need very badly right now. This kind of chakra looks cool though.
Can you see the hat? Yay! Yes.
Cute. We're in for day 2. So exciting. They let us in early, which is nice. Right. angle's not pretty, but we're gonna open this. Cute. It's a selfie PC too. That's what I wanted. Stop. Hello. It's like a few days later and I have not added an outro to this video, so I'm gonna do that now. First off, Hope on the stage was insane. I've seen BTS live and I've seen Yoongi live, and they just like up the bar on everything. Like, they're such amazing performers, and J-Hope obviously being like the lead dancer is just another level. I just love BTS so much. But this was like a much needed trip. I need my BTS fix because they've been gone for so long, and I'm just so happy that they'll be back in a few months. And I got to see J-Hope on this tour. Extremely grateful. I was lucky to be able to get VIP. I was like 500th in line getting in. I talked about this in my Taemin video, but it's still crazy to me. We didn't do the send-off package. That was just too expensive, but we all had saved up and were ready to spend a decent amount. So that was really fun. It was my first like BTS sound check. It's not my first K-pop sound check, but it was my first BTS one, and it was just so fun. I guess I'll just show you like kind of the merch that we get from that, if anyone's wondering if you're going to be seeing them on the rest of the North America tour. But this is the lanyard for the stage package, I believe, the one without soundcheck. So this cute little VIP lanyard, and it says like the tour dates on the back, and it looks like this. But the like best VIP gift, I think, honestly, this is like K-Army level VIP gift, this beautiful J-Hope box. It's gonna take me a second to open this. It's like an apple box. It's like the element of surprise. Oh, and inside, like, come on now, we have a tin box that I'm holding photo cards in, a lock and key, kind of like unlock and lock the song, and then these amazing trendy rectangle glasses that say J-Hope on the side. First off, I was afraid they were going to be like not the greatest quality, but they're such nice quality, and also they're like extremely trendy right now and in. I wouldn't expect anything less from J-Hope. Like, he knows style, obviously. So that was a VIP gift. So amazing. I got so many freebies and things. I got the money money confetti, money from a fan. I got the like butterfly confetti. There was like a slogan thing that no one held up, which was really sad. A lot of cool fun freebies. This one is like a crocheted rose for like Rosemont, aka Chicago. lots of bracelets. Oh my god, wait. Someone gave me a Snoopy freebie that is holding on the stage. And then it's from the Soup So Sweet on Instagram. And then Hello Army. She made like a whale for the tour. And then a little mini Hobie Picket. And then I did not get the acorn. It sold out every single time I tried to find it. It was already gone or sold out. So a little Rosemont sticker from that, which is just, it made me feel a little bit better. I also got like, you know, BTS freebies and things like that. I'm trying to go fast because my like camera is dying as always. I don't know why. It's always dying. It's whatnot. But yeah, such a fun show. Like it makes me feel inspired. I got a Hobie t-shirt. This one was the one with his face on it. And then another merch piece that I got was actually the mini photo cards, and they're not even, listen. If you collect TXT or BTS, you would know they have these things called mini PCs that are actually bigger than like a regular photo card. So they had like a mini photo card set, and they were actually photo card size. So I was like, oh, I'll get them because I wanted the lucky draw originally, but I didn't want to buy an album. So I was like, oh, I'll just buy the photo card set. So in there were these two, you guys saw this, but two concept photos. And then I got one of the rare special PCs, which is a selfie card, which is really fun. And that's exactly what I wanted for merch, was like a photo card. But yeah, that's my little vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're going to be going to either Mexico, which I think is like today or tomorrow, I don't know, or any of the other shows, like, hope you have such a fun time. It is such a great concert. It's so good. Stream Mona Lisa and get ready for OT7 to come back in June because we're going all out. So that's it. That's my Hope on the Stage vlog, and I will see you guys in my next one. Goodbye.